Sam and the Secret Recipe. Sam loved to bake with his mom. One day they found an old recipe book in the attic. It belonged to Sam's grandmother and had a secret recipe for the best chocolate cake. Excited, Sam and his mom gathered the ingredients and began baking. They mixed flour, sugar, and cocoa powder, but something was missing. Sam remembered the note said, "Add a pinch of love and a sprinkle of joy." They laughed and added those magical ingredients. When the cake was done, it smelled heavenly. They decorated it with icing and sprinkles, making it look perfect. Sam decided to share the cake with neighbors. Everyone loved it and asked for the recipe. Sam smiled and said the secret was to bake with love. That day, Sam learned that baking wasn't just about following recipes. It was about sharing happiness and making memories. He and his mom decided to host a baking day every month, inviting friends and neighbors to join. Together, they created not just delicious treats, but also lasting friendships. Sam realized that love and joy were the best ingredients of all.